Welcome to our video on the incredible benefits of drinking oregano tea daily. Oregano, a herb often associated with Italian cuisine, has a rich history that dates back to ancient Greece, where it was revered for its medicinal properties. Today, oregano tea is gaining popularity not just for its unique flavor, but also for its numerous health benefits. In this video, we aim to explore the various advantages of incorporating oregano tea into your daily routine. You can expect to learn about its antioxidant properties, potential anti-inflammatory effects, and how it may support your immune system. Understanding these health benefits is crucial for making informed choices about your wellness. So let's dive into the world of oregano tea and discover how it can enhance your health. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Oregano is not just a flavorful herb, it's also packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. This aromatic herb contains vitamins A, C, E, and K, along with important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Vitamin A supports eye health, while vitamin C boosts the immune system and promotes skin health. The presence of vitamin K is vital for blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, oregano is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants, including rosmarinic acid and thymol, play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and protecting cells from damage. By incorporating oregano into your diet, you can enjoy these health benefits while adding a delicious flavor to your meals. Oregano tea is a powerful ally for boosting your immune system, thanks to its remarkable antimicrobial property. The compounds found in oregano, such as carvacrol and thymol, have been shown to combat bacteria, viruses, and fungi, making it an effective natural defense against infections. Regular consumption of oregano tea can help prevent illnesses by enhancing your body's ability to fight off pathogens. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlighted oregano's effectiveness against certain strains of bacteria, demonstrating its potential to reduce the risk of infections. Another research article in the International Journal of Food Microbiology noted that oregano oil could inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms. By incorporating oregano tea into your daily routine, you can harness these immune-boosting benefits and support your overall health. Oregano tea offers several positive effects on digestion, making it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. One of its key benefits is its ability to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and gas. The carminative properties of oregano help relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, promoting smoother digestion. Additionally, oregano is known to support gut health by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria while inhibiting harmful pathogens. This balance is essential for a healthy digestive system. Traditionally, oregano has been used in various cultures as a natural remedy for digestive discomfort, including indigestion and stomach cramps. By sipping on oregano tea, you can harness these time-tested benefits, promoting a healthier digestive system and overall well-being. Oregano tea is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which can significantly benefit overall health. The active compounds in oregano, such as rosmarinic acid and carvacrol, have been shown to inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body, helping to reduce swelling and discomfort. This is particularly significant for individuals dealing with chronic conditions, where inflammation plays a central role in disease progression. For example, conditions like arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel disease may see improvements with the regular consumption of oregano tea. By reducing inflammation, oregano can help alleviate symptoms and enhance the quality of life for those affected. Incorporating oregano tea into your daily routine may serve as a natural and effective way to support your body's fight against chronic inflammation and its associated health challenges. Oregano tea is a natural remedy that can significantly support respiratory health. The herb contains compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which have been shown to possess antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making them beneficial for respiratory conditions. Oregano tea can help relieve symptoms of colds and allergies by acting as an expectorant, helping to clear mucus from the airways and easing congestion. Additionally, its antioxidant properties can reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, providing further relief. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology highlights oregano's potential in alleviating respiratory issues. demonstrating its effectiveness against respiratory pathogens. By incorporating oregano tea into your routine, you can harness these benefits, promoting clearer airways and overall respiratory wellness, especially during cold and allergy seasons. Oregano tea can be a helpful ally in your weight management journey. The compounds, such as carvacrol, have been shown to enhance metabolism and promote fat burning, making it easier for your body to utilize stored fat for energy. Additionally, oregano tea can help curb cravings, which is essential for maintaining a healthy diet. Its aromatic flavor can satisfy your taste buds, reducing the desire for unhealthy snacks. To incorporate oregano tea into your weight loss plan, consider drinking a cup before meals to help control appetite or using it as a flavorful addition to your cooking. You can also blend it with other herbal teas for added benefits. By making oregano tea a regular part of your routine, you can support your weight management goals effectively. While oregano tea offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects associated with its daily consumption. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions, particularly if they have sensitivities to other herbs in the mint family. Additionally, oregano can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners or medications for diabetes, potentially affecting their efficacy. Therefore, moderation is key. Enjoying oregano tea in reasonable amounts can help minimize any adverse effects. It's always wise to listen to your body and monitor how you feel after consuming it. If you have any concerns or pre-existing health conditions, we encourage you to consult with a healthcare provider before adding oregano tea to your routine. This ensures that you can safely enjoy its benefits while avoiding any unwanted complications. In summary, oregano tea is a powerhouse of health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. From supporting immune function and promoting digestive health to providing anti-inflammatory effects and aiding in weight management, this herbal tea offers a wide range of advantages. Remember, incorporating oregano tea into your daily routine can help you harness these benefits while enjoying its unique flavor. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your health, consider adding oregano tea to your diet. We hope you found this information valuable, and if you did, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family. Stay tuned for more content on health and wellness, and let's continue this journey together toward a healthier lifestyle.